For today's video, I will show you how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom option. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log in to your account. You can do this by going to your mobile device, log in using your credentials, and we need to hover to our settings option. Okay, so once you are logged in, all you're gonna do is click on your profile right here. All right, click on that, and the next thing we need to do is simply we need to create an avatar, because basically what will happen is if you have the avatar option, people will no longer to be able to zoom out your profile picture on the default section of the Instagram. All right, so if you have an avatar, all you're gonna do is choose that, or if you don't have, we will need to create an avatar. All right, okay, so if you're still following, here's how you can create an avatar from Instagram app for both Android and iPhone. Tap your profile icon here in the bottom right, go to your profile. All you're gonna do is tap edit profile at the top, then tap create avatar. Right, of course you need to tap get started, choose your avatar skin tone, and you can also personalize your avatar with hairstyles, outfits, and more. Note that you can tap the magnifying glass, something like that, to see yourself on camera while you create your avatar. Of course, you need to tap done and save changes to save and create your avatar. After you create your avatar, you will have personalized stickers of your avatar to share with your friends in a direct message or add it to your stories. You can even edit your avatar from your profile at any time by tapping edit profile, then tapping edit avatar. You can delete your avatar in the avatar editor by tapping the garbage section here, then tapping delete. This action is permanent and cannot be reversed. Again, having said all of that, when you have your avatar already shown on your profile, people can no longer zoom your profile picture. All right, so that's basically disabling the Instagram profile picture zoom option. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.